Let me explain a small real-world scenario that administrators often face while working with the NSX Manager CLI. Imagine we are troubleshooting an issue on the NSX environment. Maybe we are checking logs, or running diagnostics commands, or monitoring services from the NSX Manager command line. While doing this, we're stepping away for a few minutes to revive some documentation or checking something on another system. So when we come back and try to continue our work, we notice that the CLI session has logged out. This happens because NSX has a default idle timeout, which means if there is no activity in the CLI for a certain period of time, the session automatically terminates for security reasons. So during long troubleshooting sessions, this can be quite inconvenient for us, right? Because we have to log in again and restart our commands. In such situations, administrators usually disable the CLI timeout so that the session remains active even if there is no activity for a while. To do that, we use the following command in the NSX Manager. So in the screenshot you can see inside NSX Manager set CLI timeout 0. So setting the value to 0 means the timeout is disabled. So the CLI session will not automatically disconnect due to inactivity. For example, after logging into the NSX Manager, we would run the NSX Manager set CLI timeout. Once this command is applied, the CLI session will stay active until the administrator manually logs out. This is particularly useful when performing a task in real-time production support for monitoring logs for a long time, then running continuous diagnostic commands, investigating network issues, then performing extended troubleshooting sessions. So one thing we need to keep in mind, in production environments, administrators should be very careful when disabling session timeouts because leaving sessions open for too long can introduce security risk. So typically this setting is used temporarily during troubleshooting and then restored to the default value later.